How to add representatives to your TFY account. To add representatives to your TFY account, navigate to Settings and select Representatives. From there, you can add a new representative by entering their first name, last name, and associated email address. Please enter a sample email ID and specify the organization to which the representative belongs. TFY allows you to assign role-based access to representatives, enabling you to control their level of access on the TFY platform. This access can range from an admin role to a hiring manager role, or even a role as an agency client or external party where access and visibility are appropriately limited. At this time, we will proceed with the HR administrative role by adding this representative. As you can see, the process is straightforward. The representative has been successfully added. The individual added to TFY platform will receive an email with login instructions to the TFY system. Also, it is worth noting that TFY allows you to add unlimited representatives to your account without any additional cost. Thank you.